Hey everyone! If we enjoy building in Minecraft and want an easier way to create large structures or detailed designs, Litematica is one of the best mods we can use. Litematica lets us load schematic files directly into our world as a visual blueprint, making it much easier to build accurately, block by block. Whether we're building big survival bases, copying creative builds, or organizing large projects, this mod helps us build precisely and saves time. Before we can use these features, we need to download and install Litematica on our computer. This guide will show us the correct way to download Litematica for Minecraft. Since it is a mod, we need to follow specific steps, like installing the right mod loader such as Fabric, and making sure we get the version that matches our Minecraft version. This guide is here to help us avoid common mistakes like downloading the wrong version or installing files incorrectly. By following these steps, we'll set up Litematica smoothly and get our game ready for advanced building with schematics. Let's go through the process in a simple way so everyone can follow along. To start, we go to modrend.com. Once we're on the homepage, we go to the top right, find Discover Content, and then go to Mods. We just need to wait for the loader. When it appears, type Litematica. We'll see Litematica by Masa, click on it, wait for it to load. Now Litematica is here, and we can see the downloads for Litematica. Click Download. It will ask if we want to install with the Modrend app or select a version. We can choose the version we need. Show all versions. The new list will load. We choose the platform like Forge, Fabric, Lightloader, or Arnet. Just click Choose. We'll use Lightloader, then select Install with Modrend app. If it says no versions, just click the only version available, which is Fabric for our Minecraft version. Now click Download. Once it's available, click Download, and now it's downloading to our computer. After Litematica is downloaded and installed, we'll be ready to improve our Minecraft building projects. With schematics as our blueprint, we can build faster, more accurately, and with more confidence. Let's explore its features, learn the controls, and try out different builds. With everything set up, we now have a powerful tool to help us build in Minecraft.